Another part in our critical thinking segment is to understand where the scientific discovery is in our project. When we are writing a book or developing a website on a new discovery, we need to understand the science behind it and what led to the discovery. I mean, after all, we're not performing magic tricks here. After completing Who Said What Already in the next video, Where is the Science?, you will have the name of several scientists, understand their titles, identify their place of employment, and understand the question that they are trying to answer with their work. Armed with this information, you will be ready to create your first mentor letter that will hopefully provide you with the topic of your project. Now let's get started. To begin our investigation, we're going to use a variety of resources, including websites like TED-Ed and TED, and Amazon, and even our local library. Actual books. Let's look at an example using a book that we're going to write about renewable energy sources. The first resource for our project is the Amazon website. It's estimated that the Amazon website has over 1.8 million book titles available for sale on its website. After all, that's what they got started doing. If we're planning to write a book for 3rd to 6th graders on renewable energy, Amazon will be able to tell us what other books are currently available to buy. We'll begin by typing renewable energy into the Amazon search bar. Kind of makes sense, right? The research returned the following items, but we want to focus on children's books since we are writing a book for 3rd to 5th graders. On the left of the returned search, there's a column called Show Results For. Under the subtitle Books, click See More. Now we can narrow our search to only children's books by selecting Children's Earth Science books and Children's Environment and Ecology books, children's being the common theme here. The refined Amazon search returns many books on renewable energy, including titles such as Tag, The Farting Power Plant, Global Warming Reduction, Spinner the Winner, Sasha and the Solar Slug, and the Echo Diddle Echo Riddle. These book titles provide us with some insight as to what type of books are available for kids on the topic of renewable energy. Some of the books are strictly facts, and others tell more of a story. The topics include global warming, turning methane gas into electricity, using a wind turbine to produce electricity, the threat of plastics on our environment, and the impact of how we live on the environment. Also, some use photographs for the illustrations and others use hand-drawn images of animated characters. Copy some of the titles that look interesting to you into your research notebook so you can reference them later. Amazon search engine is similar to Google search engine in that it will return results based on your previous searches, so your results may be a little different from mine. Our next resource is your local library. Ask your parent or guardian to take you to visit the library. Once there, ask the librarian to show you where the children's books on renewable energy are kept. Spend some time looking at the books. What topics are discussed? Who are the authors? Are the books just a list of facts, or do they tell a story? How are the books illustrated? What do you like or dislike about the books? Basically the same stuff we did with the Amazon search, just in real life. Take notes on your findings and add them to your research notebook when you're home or in the media lab. You can even take pictures of certain illustrations that you like and copy them into your research notebook. This will help you understand the type of book that you want to create. If you're unable to physically go to your local library, you can do an online search of the books that are available, and you can even request books from home and have them ready to pick up when you arrive. To do this, begin typing the name of your local library system into the Google URL bar. The website address for our local library system is www.beaverlibraries.org. The website provides us with a way to search for books that are available within our library system. It'd be kind of weird if they provided us with a way to search for books that were not in our library system. For more information on how to conduct searches and request books, you can visit the website www.bacsbookreviews.weebly.com. When you get there, on the home page, select Libraries. And then on the library page, watch the video entitled How to Order a Book for Library Pickup. Once you have your books, spend some time looking at them. Look at the topics discussed, the authors, and how the books are illustrated. I bet you're beginning to sense a theme here. By investigating what books are already available, you will ensure that the book you are writing will be a unique one, not one that somebody else has already written. Generally, that's called copying. not necessarily a good thing. Let's move on to our next video. Where is the science?